Hi and welcome to WP Affiliate. In this video tutorial, I will explain what an affiliate program is and exactly how affiliate software works. Before we move on to an example affiliate platform, firstly I'll discuss what an affiliate program is. An affiliate program is a marketing tool for online stores where a popular website uses an affiliate link to direct customers to an online store. A commission of any successful sales made by someone who uses the affiliate link is rewarded to the referring website. An affiliate program involves three parties: a merchant who is the owner of an online store, an affiliate who has an affiliate link on their website that directs traffic to the merchant, and a potential customer who visits the affiliate's website and follows the link to the merchant's online store. An affiliate program benefits the merchant who can potentially receive more sales while allowing an affiliate to earn a commission of sales directed from their website. Now I'd like to run through a visual demonstration of how the affiliate program works. Tom has a simple red t-shirt for sale via an eStore platform. He knows a friend who has a high traffic website and believes an affiliate program will increase his t-shirt sales. An agreement is made that Tom will reward his friend Bob with 25% commission of purchases made from customers who use the affiliate link. To set up this agreement, an affiliate account is set up for Bob. A unique affiliate link is generated and given to Bob from Tom. Next, Bob then adds this link to his blog style website. So as you can see, Bob would add this link here to his sidebar or into his blog. Then, a visitor reading Bob's blog decides they would like to click on the link. So a visitor comes to Bob's blog, clicks on the affiliate link. The visitor is directed to Tom's t-shirt shop and decides he'll purchase one t-shirt and Tom makes a sale. So then Bob receives 25% commission of that t-shirt sale. So the overall objectives of an affiliate program are to encourage other websites, affiliates, to direct customers to an eStore platform, merchant. This aims to increase their merchant sales. Merchant offers commission to the affiliate from purchases made by customers that are referred to the merchant via the affiliate link. This creates a win-win situation where both the affiliate and merchant benefit. So that concludes this tutorial on affiliate programs. Hopefully it has helped you understand whether or not an affiliate program is right for you.